we're going to make a basic white sauce from the Let's Get Cooking website. Traditionally, this sauce is made using a roux method, but this recipe explains how to make a quick, one-stage version of the sauce. The secret of making this sauce successfully is to make sure the liquid is completely cold before you begin, or it will go lumpy. The equipment you will need today are weighing scales, a measuring jug, a knife, a spoon, a small or medium saucepan, a small balloon whisk, and a pan stand. The ingredients you will need to serve for is 500 millilitres of semi-skimmed milk, 50 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of unsaturated fat spread, and black pepper is optional. Step 1. Put the flour, spread, and milk into the saucepan. Step 2. Place the saucepan on the hob and turn on to a medium heat. Step 3. Using the whisk, stir the contents of the saucepan constantly. Step 4. As the milk becomes hot, the spread will melt and the flour will start to mix in with the milk. You will feel the mixture begin to thicken and keep stirring, making sure to get right into the edges of the pan. Step 5. As the sauce begins to boil, it will become much thicker. Keep stirring and turn down the heat as low as possible so that the sauce simmers gently for 2 minutes. Step 6. Add black pepper to taste, if using. Something to try next time. Add the following to make different flavours when the sauce has been taken off the heat. 50 grams of grated, mature cheddar cheese with 1 5ml spoon of mustard. The mustard helps bring out the flavour of the cheese. Or 1 15ml spoon of chopped fresh parsley. A white sauce will keep in the fridge for up to 2 days. Cover with cling film or damp greaseproof paper laid directly onto the sauce to prevent a skin forming. Reheat over a low heat, stirring often. This sauce can be successfully frozen if part of a dish such as lasagna. Top tips for this recipe are that you can infuse the milk by simmering gently with an onion cut into quarters before using it in the sauce. This will give it more flavour, but you must make sure that the milk is completely cold before you use it to make the sauce, or it will become lumpy. If adding cheese, always use a strongly flavoured one as you can use less of it, which will lower the fat content of the meal.